Good morning. My name is Khalid. In this session or during this course, we're gonna learn about the ICT and computer science. Basically, what's the difference between ICT and computer science? Very brief answer. ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. Usually it tells me more about advices on how to use computer or how to use the information technology like Facebook, websites, computer monitor, or whatever information technology that we're talking about. And also it tells me more about the communication technology, which includes routers and the technology used to connect me to others, almost nearly using the internet. Unit 1, working safely with computers. This session are gonna talk about how to use the computer safely. When we say the word safely, we're talking about something called security, right? If there's a security guy, or if there's a security agent, or whatever you call it, then you should feel safe, right? So now we're gonna talk about safety, but the safety related to computers. In this session, we're gonna cover a little bit of the safety and the cyber security, but not in the computer science review or in the computer science point of view, but we're gonna discuss it from the ICT technology, ICT preview or ICT overview. So we're gonna talk at the beginning about the table of contents, so we can imagine or know more about the plan that we're gonna do or gonna apply in this course. So Unit 1 talks basically about working safely with computers. Unit 1 is gonna be explained totally, inshallah, during this session or during this lecture. Alright. Unit 2 talks about understanding operating systems. So Unit 3 talks about word processing using advanced features and stuff. It talks about the Microsoft Word programs, okay? But the operating system, the unit, the previous unit before, it talks more about understanding the operating systems. Next we're gonna discuss Unit 4, which talks about computers in everyday life. So what is computers in everyday life? We mean by that the computers that we use and how to use it, or more about advices on how to use computers in the daily life or the problems that might face you and stuff like that. So Unit 5 talks about spreadsheets using advanced features. It also talks about Microsoft Excel, and Unit 6 talks about PowerPoint, inserting media and printing handouts. So it talks also about Microsoft program that called PowerPoint, used to make presentations and stuff like that. Unit 7 and Unit 8, I don't know if we're gonna follow and we're gonna explain them, or we're gonna discuss them during this course, but inshallah Unit 7 is going to be explained if there's further time. So as the first slide, we talk now about ethics and crimes. What's ethics and what's crimes? Is computer crimes related to real life crimes? So these are introductory questions. I need you to take 2 minutes and think with me. Is computer crimes related to real life crimes? What do you think? Well, they are very related by their names, right? They're both of them ends with crimes, right? So they are different types of crimes, but they are the same concepts. They follow the same concept of crimes, so they are very related. Real life crimes are related to computer crimes. So the second question: do people go to jail because of computer crimes, like medical crimes? What are medical crimes? I know that many of you in grade 6, they don't understand, or they don't get the, not all of you, I know, but most of you don't get the full picture of the medical crimes. Sorry about that, guys. Now we're discussing something called computer crimes. Yes, I know. Let's back to what we were at. Medical crimes. What are medical crimes in the beginning of the question, or at the first place? What's the medical crimes? Medical crimes is the crimes related to the medical field. What's the medical field? What do I mean by medical field? I mean the doctors, the nurses, and the workers that work in this field that's related to medicine and medical. So let's give an example so we can understand better what's a medical field or what's a medical crimes. If a doctor make a surgery and stole a kidney from a patient, that's called crime.